In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Trello. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deleting a workspace is a permanent action. It can affect any boards, members, and billing connected to that workspace. So make sure you've backed up anything important or moved any boards you still need to a different workspace. First, open Trello and go to your main dashboard. This is the screen where you can see your recent boards and any workspaces you belong to. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that owns the workspace you want to delete. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This might be your initials or a small avatar. When you click it, a drop-down menu appears with several options related to your account. From that drop-down, click on Settings. This will take you to your General Account Settings page. Here you can manage things like your profile, security, and other preferences. Before you can remove a workspace, you need to make sure there's no active paid subscription tied to it. In the Settings area, look for the option called Billing and click on it. This is where Trello shows you your current plan details, payment method, and any active subscriptions for your workspaces. On the billing page, find the subscription connected to the workspace you want to delete and choose the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the on-screen prompts until Trello confirms that the subscription is cancelled. This step is important because you usually can't delete a workspace while it still has an active paid plan. Once that's done, go back to the main settings area. On the left-hand side, you'll see a column with different sections. Make sure you click on Settings under the Workspace section, not under Personal Settings. The Workspace settings control things like members, visibility, and ultimately deletion. Inside the Workspace settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. There, you should see an option to delete your workspace or account tied to that workspace. Trello may show a warning explaining what will be removed. Read it carefully, and if you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, Trello will process the request and the workspace will be removed. That's it. You've successfully deleted a